Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Wednesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 29th of May 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.55%, settling the day at 38,852.86 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,019.88, rising 0.59%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,695.90 and Hang Seng is trading at 18,659.41. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,833, indicating a gap down start for the Indian market. FII bought 65.57 crores in the cash market in the last trading session. Indian listed companies that have a presence in the semiconductor space have seen a splendid run on the bourses even as the sector is still at a very nascent stage in the country. Reliance Industries signs deal with Rosneft to buy oil in rubles. RBI launches Prava, RBI Retail Direct mobile app, FinTech repository. Now talking about global aspects, the Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index in May rose to 102 from 97.5 in April. The United States and its partners are prepared to use sanctions and export controls to prevent China-Russia trade that threatens their security amid the ongoing Ukraine war. WTI ended at $79.83 a barrel, gaining 2.7% from Friday's close, while Brent settled up 1.4% at $84.22 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.60. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.55%, up. Here is a recap of Tuesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices experienced a 4% volatility spike as the Nifty oscillated between gains and losses throughout the session. The 23,000 mark emerged as a critical battleground for bulls and bears. With the election results approaching, market nervousness was evident. Consequently, key indices closed the day with minor losses, with the Sensex at 75,170.45 and the Nifty at 22,888.15. Sectoral performance remained negative with losses across all major sectors except for pharma. Outlook for the day. In Nifty, the prices are trading near its all-time high after a breakout of 22,700. Following this breakout, there has been a notable increase in positive momentum. Above the 23,100 level, the market has the potential to advance to the 23,250 to 23,350 range. For the downside, 22,650 will act as an immediate support level. The Bank Nifty has decisively broken through its upward sloping resistance trendline, indicating a potential move towards the 49,600 to 49,800 range in the short term. The banking index is currently trading above all key moving averages and has formed a long bullish candlestick pattern on the weekly charts. Additionally, a positive crossover in the RSI momentum indicator further supports the likelihood of continued upward movement. Stocks on radar are Hatsun, 3M India, Garware Technical Fibers, ZF Commercial, Nazara. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.